So it's quite interesting that some of the main goals that we're seeing from this research is about being happy. And, as we've established, this is an immediate reward. And this kind of falls into this kind of present bias kind of category. We want to feel emotionally positive right now. We want to keep it. So if you're feeling good, you want to keep that emotion alive. So we want to feel as content for as long as we possibly can. And we like to feel that quite soon. So that's a short-term need. So that kind of motivation about that now can actually derail our chances of being happy, content in the future. And there are probably lots of examples you can think about how you might, engage in your financial behavior right now to maintain your happiness that actually could destabilize the plans for the future. Whether you're, underspending, overspending, not kind of investing in the right thing, not getting the right kind of insurance policies, whatever it might be. You can make quite bad judgments simply because your brain wants to maintain that positivity. So, that short-term goal, aim, can completely undermine that long-term outcome. And I find that quite interesting from a sort of a decisional making point of view.